Hello, good morning students. Welcome to your computer class. In our previous classes, we studied how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers and binary numbers into decimal numbers. Now in this class, we will study about octal number system. So first we will understand what is octal number system and what is its use. Octal number system consists of 8 digits. As in binary number system, we used only 2 digits, that is 1 and 0. But in octal number system, we use 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is 0 to 7. Hence, the base of octal number system is 8. The base of octal number system is 8. Each digit position in the system represents the power of 8. As we had studied in the decimal number system, that each digit position represented the power of 2. Here in octal number system, each position will represent power of 8. Now any digit in this system is always less than 8. So as we had seen in decimal number system also, that each digit will be always less than 10, means from 0 to 9. In binary system, only 2 numbers were used, 0 and 1. But in octal number system, each digit will consist of only 0 to 7 and always be less than 8. So octal number system is used as a shorthand representation of binary numbers. Now first we have to understand that why is this octal number system used and why is it called as shorthand representation of binary numbers. Now children, since in binary number only two digits 0 and 1 are used. So what happens when we write huge numbers, means bigger numbers, then the length of the digits increase a lot. So while for a human mind to remember all the digits and to manipulate them becomes difficult. So instead of binary numbers, we use the octal numbers so that we can easily manipulate those numbers according to our wishes or according to our needs. So some examples of octal numbers are given here. You see 5, 6, 7. And at the base you see small subscript is there, 8. This denotes that this number is an octal number. Here also 6, 5, 4, 3, 8. This small subscript 8, this small 8 denotes that this is a octal number. Now you notice children here that this number always it will consist digits that is less than 8. Do you find any 8 or 9 digit 8 or 9 in this number or either in this number? No, you will never find because octal number never contain digit 8 and 9. Always it will contain digits from 0 to 7. Always less than 8. Okay. Now the place value of each digit according to position and weight is as follows. As we had learned in the binary numbers, the base of each number was 2. Here, the base of each number is 8. So, its position and the weightage will depend upon its base, and the base is 8. Okay, now let us take example here. So, the first digit will weight 8 to the power 0, that is 1. The second digit will weight 8 to the power 1, that is 8. Third one, 8 to the power 2, that is 64. Fourth will be similarly 8 to the power 3 is 512. And fifth one will be 8 to the power 4, that is 4096. Okay. Now here we have also to learn how to convert octal numbers into decimal numbers. Now it's very simple. As we were converting the binary numbers into decimal numbers, similarly we have to convert octal numbers into decimal numbers. Only the basic difference is that we have to use base 8 instead of base 2. In binary numbers we were using base 2, whereas in octal numbers we will use base 8. Now to convert octal numbers to decimal numbers, the following are the steps. We have to follow these steps. Okay. Set the octal number indicating the place value of each digit from right to left. Suppose this is an octal number 45. Yes, this is octal number 45 and we have to convert it into a decimal number. So what will be the place value of 5 here? You see, since it is base 8, it is the first position. So we will multiply 5 into 8 to the power 0. Here you see, here it will become 5 into 8 to the power 0. The next number we will multiply. The next number is 4. It stands in the second position. So we will multiply it by 8 to the power 1 is equal to 8. That becomes 4 into 8 to the power 1. Okay. So it will become, the number will will become 5 into 1, because 8 to the power 0 is 1. In my previous classes, I just explained you how to write the exponents. Now how the exponents work. So anything 8 to the power 0 is 1. So 5 into 1 and then 4 into 8. So here it becomes 5. And this becomes 32 and then we will add it becomes 37. So 45 octal becomes 37 decimal. Okay. So now I'll give homework in your dashboard. Children, please go and do your homework so that you can revise it properly. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Thank you very much.